Accounting and finance, often used interchangeably, play distinct roles in the business world. While finance focuses on making strategic decisions to optimize profits and manage risks, accounting is all about accurately recording, reporting, and summarizing financial information. In accounting, the emphasis is on creating detailed financial statements, like income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, to provide a snapshot of an entity's financial health. On the other hand, finance deals with analyzing this information to make informed decisions for the future of the organization. Managerial accounting delves into internal processes to aid management decisions, while financial accounting presents information in financial statements for internal and external stakeholders. Understanding these differences is crucial for business success, as it allows companies to effectively manage their financial resources and make informed decisions. By grasping the nuances between finance and accounting, individuals can enhance their business acumen and contribute meaningfully to their organization's growth and stability.